Welcome to our video on effective communication. Today we'll explore how to use I feel statements to express yourself clearly and constructively. Have you ever found yourself in a conversation where you're trying to express your feelings, but it just ends up in a heated argument? The problem might be in the way you're communicating your feelings. That's where I statements come in handy. I feel statements are a powerful tool for expressing emotions without blaming or attacking others, which often leads to more productive conversations. Start with I feel followed by an emotion. For example, I feel happy or I feel frustrated. This focuses on your feelings rather than the other person's actions. Next, add the reason for your feeling. For instance, I feel happy because you helped me with my project. This provides context and clarity. Here's a simple formula for using I feel statement. Start with I feel, insert the emotion. Start by stating the emotion you're experiencing. Be specific. Common emotions include frustrated, sad, angry, happy, scared, disappointed, excited, etc. Add when you, insert situation, briefly describe the situation that triggered your emotion. End with because, briefly explain why the situation made you feel that way. Optionally, you can add a fourth statement, which is what I need. If you have a specific need or request, you can add it to the end. For example, instead of saying, you never listen to me, which might make the other person defensive, you can use an I statement and say, I feel ignored when you don't respond to my messages because it makes me feel like my thoughts and feelings are not important to you. In this way, you've expressed your feelings without blaming the other person. This approach can lead to a more open and honest conversation as it encourages understanding and empathy. The goal here is not to win an argument, but to communicate effectively. Avoid using you statements that can sound accusatory. Instead of saying, you never listen, try, I feel unheard when I'm interrupted. Let's explore some more examples of I feel statements. Instead of, you never listen to me, try, I feel frustrated when I try to talk to you, but I feel like you're not really paying attention. Can we find a time to talk where we can both focus on each other? Instead of, you always make me feel bad about myself, try, I feel hurt when you make jokes about my appearance. I would appreciate it if you could be more mindful of your words. Instead of, you're being so inconsiderate by leaving your dirty dishes in the sink, try, I feel overwhelmed when the dishes are left unwashed. Would you be willing to help out with the cleaning so we can share the responsibility? Try, I feel stressed when we're rushing in the morning. Can we set aside some extra time to get ready? Instead of, fine, do whatever you want, sulking. Try, I feel hurt when you dismiss my ideas. I value your opinion on this too. Here are some additional tips to guide you. Use specific emotions. Instead of bad, be more specific with words like frustrated, hurt, or anxious. Focus on the behavior, not the person. Instead of attacking their character, focus on the specific action that bothers you. Avoid accusatory language. Focus on your emotions, not blaming the other person. Phrases like you always or you never can feel shutting down. Offer solutions. After expressing your feelings, suggest ways to move forward. Be honest, express your true feelings authentically. Be open to solutions. Use I feel statements to initiate a conversation aimed at finding a solution that works for everyone. Thank you for watching. Remember, the goal is to express your feelings and needs without creating defensiveness. This fosters understanding and cooperation. Practice makes perfect. Try using I feel statements in everyday conversations to build the habit of effective communication.